Spring Fling event. We have all our feeder schools to Weslaco East High School, and we invited them so that they could come and just enjoy and be part of this event.
I am enjoying interacting with kids. I'm not really used to interacting with kids, so it's pretty fun reliving that childhood that I had.
We have a couple activities going on. We have a drawing station, a little painting station. We have a bunch of games. Our senior East kids get to interact.
So it's very important for the interaction and coming together and just build that bridge and that sense of community and friendship with them too.
It makes me feel good helping others and just helping out, making everyone feel good.
It's great to see how our students come together. It brings out the campus culture, how we're all inclusive and will help wherever, whenever we're needed. So that's amazing to see.